Right guys, so today in this video I'm going to explain the situation about the Peugeot 208 1.2 VTI engines. First and foremost, this is the correct engine oil you need to use. So I'm going to talk about the oil consumption. So these 3-cylinder engines, they like to use up a lot of engine oil. If you're using 3 liters of oil in 1,000 miles, you have a problem with your engine. Yes, you have a big problem with your engine. I did some research online and I found a forum. One person called the local Peugeot garage and made some inquiries. Apparently 1 liter of engine oil is equivalent to 1,000 miles. So it does use approximately 1 liter of oil every 1,000 miles. That is normal. Okay guys, that is normal. You got also bear in mind 12.5 thousand miles is the next oil change full service on your car. But apparently burning 1 liter of engine oil is normal, and the engine holds 3.25 liters. Peugeot was aware there was an issue with their oil consumption, and in 2016 they started to recall cars. But now if your engine is more than 8 years old, it will be written off, so you will not be eligible for a replacement engine. So yeah, just to recap, Peugeot are aware that there is oil consumption, excessive oil consumptions on these engines, on the 1.2 engines, petrol. On the Peugeot handbook, service book, it does state that every 2 to 3,000 miles, it is normal to top up the oil on these Peugeot engines. Guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope this video has helped you understand a bit more of these 1.2 engines. These are quite nippy engines, they're decent. However, unfortunately, it's the oil consumption we need to worry about and check often.